Hi folks, Jeff from RV Diagnostics working on an Onan generator here. Cooling system, which is obviously a diesel. Let's show you here real quick. The old sensor, the head broke off because it was in there. It's been in there like 20 some years. So what I did, I got a new one right here. Well, I'll show you what happened here. When it broke off, all I did was kept drilling with these drill bits in different steps, like a 1/16 of an inch at a time. And then I took my hand saw, I think it's 23 teeth per inch, real fine, because this is brass, right? The new sensor, where's that? The new sensor is brass, right? So that's all I was trying to get. So I cut it in sections, and if you can see, I've already popped one out, and then I cut another one. And then I cut another one, and now I'm just going to break this off right here. I just did. All right, so I'll put you on pause, and I'll show you. I made a homemade little quarter stock. All right, I'll catch it right there. All right, so I'll put you on pause. All right, so we're back. See, I just tapped it, and it broke off. All right, leaving the threads clean in there. All right, so you just have to do it by hand with this, real slow. Put little slots in it. So you're putting slots like from the inside of this out right here. That goes in there. Once I get it out, I'll clean the threads up. I'll put a new oil pressure cutoff switch, low oil pressure. I'll put a new coolant sensor. I put a new stator. I put a new rotor that's down in there. It's permanent magnet. I soldered 2 or 3 joints inside those boards right there. This one's the engine control. This board right here is the inverter. All right, takes AC, right, and it makes it come out, and then it goes out the other way. And where's it at? Right. No, I'm wrong. Anyway, it's here somewhere. Called me a liar, but it's over there. All right, so the important part, I just want to show you, you have to take your drill bit slowly, real slow on the speed, okay? Right, here you go, I got it right here. So I got one that's a variable speed, so I barely, that's it, it's brass, it's forgiving, all right? So you want to take it slow, and then you want to cut little slots in it using this tool right here, 24 teeth per inch, I believe. And then you just take a little chisel end, which I made, right? And then you knock off those pieces right there. And that's it, folks. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. This is how to get a sensor that's stuck in there. You break off, especially a brass one, you break off the brass. And then you drill it out to almost to where the threads are. And then you take a little saw and cut about 4 to 6 little slots around it. And you'll break off little sections and it'll come out like I showed you. Thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.